Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Top 5 at 5, where we go over 5 stocks to watch tomorrow in 5 minutes. So tonight's are probably all going to be pretty clean. You're going to have seen these names before, except for maybe one, and they're all going to be longs. So just FYI, as always, subscribe to this channel and click notifications, because what we go over here is extremely timely. So we're going to jump right into it. This was one that was actually posted or as an idea possibly in the trading room. And frankly, it just was not on my radar for whatever reason. You can't look at all 8,000 names that are out there. And for me, I do like this break, but let me just move this up here. Okay, put that right there. You can see this downward trend line, how it broke, how it went from that, how we broke that, came back, and look at this. I mean, this stuff's like textbook. And we tested it. Right? Formed a little pattern right here. I'll link that candlestick pattern at the end of this. You're going to want to watch those. And what you're going to see here is that, boom, you broke out. What you do, form a little flag, broke out of that. This red bar was in charge, not anymore. So really all we're looking for, the key level here is very simple. All we're looking for on the key level is right here, 34.80. We broke above that. You could have executed today. Frankly, it bounced around a little at the end of the day, so it gave me a little pause. But any higher high tomorrow, and you can expect this to push higher. And I think that this theme is going to continue for some time with this space. You can just see it. It's not going away. You're seeing more and more money coming into it. Second is LCID. And I know people are going to say, yes, you said this yesterday. And I know it's up 25% from yesterday. The trades that are in here are meant to be short-term trades. Okay, you could get in a position and stay in a position, but they're to help you get in a trade. And not everybody got in this today. It played out perfectly. Here was the break. If you look at it technically, I mean, you did everything right? If you know how to play gap fills, I mean, there's your gap fill, 46.14, right? You were within 20 cents of that. I mean, it's crazy, but they usually work. And then you reversed up, took that out again. What I like about this, and we're going to drill into this just a little bit. What I really like about this is I was watching this level all day and it kept rejecting, and then it just clearly broke through. You have no resistance in this chart until you get to here. I mean, zero. Now, you're going to be on Kramer tonight, and the stock's going to be shown on Kramer tonight. So you're going to get some fluff in the name, to say the least. But you should be able to get to 63. If you get to 63, you could push through it. So this could just be, this could continue. It could have legs. The amount of volume that's coming in here right now is absolutely staggering. And I'd keep these short, but I just want to go through this very, very quickly. This is the 15-minute. Okay, here's your level over here, right? Look at this volume. It's sustained all day long. All day long, it's sustained above average volume. But you can see the break right here, right? That's over the flag. Then you go here. And look what happened when you broke out. Formed a little long-legged doji, and then bam. So really all you're looking for is the top of this, which is 55.68. After that, continue to move the stop up. But I would try to leave a small position on, or some of the position on, to see if we can get to the 63 level. Playboy had a great quarter. And I really wanted to see how it acted today. And it acted pretty much how I wanted it to act, right? But I think people are not really understanding what they could do with the NFT space and how they could profit from it. I think people starting to get that after this conference call. I think people got it. And I think you're seeing that in this volume. Coming out over 7 million shares. Get over this 42.67. Frankly, you could do it over 42 once you get over there, but watch the 42.67 level. You get over there and you just start walking your way up to 48, and then you could walk your way up to 55. This could have legs. Okay, this is a pretty serious break over higher highs, and this is forming a huge cup. So this has long-term potential, but we're looking for a short-term trade. 42, but watch the 42.67, and you could get up to that 55 level. RIVM. Now, here's one that we've been showing in this top 5 by 5 for some time. And it's interesting because the emails that I get, I keep getting the same question. How high can it go? And let me just point this out real quick. Let this load in. Okay. How high can it go? no one has any idea. Okay, if anyone tells you that they know, no one has any idea. All you can do is play the hand that you're dealt. Okay, so we started here talking about this pattern and stair stepping. Okay, and that's all it's doing. And guess what? It did it again. So all you're looking for tomorrow, again, to participate in this, it was up 15% today off this one silly little move, right? That we just keep doing over and over again, right? So get over that 179.47 tomorrow, and you can look at putting the trade back on and seeing if it continues. And then you just have to keep raising your stop up. Finally, SOXL. And before I get into that, if you find value in this, please share this, please comment. I specifically don't run ads so that this is packed with 5 to 6 minutes of just sheer value. So I think it's valuable. If you don't find it valuable, don't share it. But SOXL was one that we were in the trading room. We closed it out for $9. Let's clean all this up. Here's what I like about this, okay? And whether or not you hold this into NVIDIA's earnings, which are tomorrow night, is entirely up to you. Here's what I like about this, okay? Here's your high, 65.63. Look what you did today. So we came down, filled, tested the upper channel, which is now the, quote, lower channel, flipped back over, encompassed this, right? We encompassed this and through this, which gives us what? A bullish engulfing. 66 or 65, 66 was the old high. Now you're just simply looking for 66.50, let's call it. So I would also just give yourselves a moment to just kind of look at the videos that are support and resistance here at the end, the candlestick videos. You really want to learn these so that you can, implement some of what we go over on your own. The goal here is to not only give great ideas, but so that you can also educate yourself. So that's it, everyone. Trade sharp tomorrow.